This story was written by Mr. Gomez's class, and it's called The Scientist Mermaid and Her Great Friend. Scientist mermaid, sirena científica, living in an underwater science factory. Scientist mermaid, sirena científica, ella es fantástica in every way. I'm researching exotic animals. I need to find some super names for them. I need help with my homework. I want support around the science lab from my friends. Scientist mermaid, sirena científica, living in an underwater science factory. Scientist mermaid, sirena científica, will science friends help with our homework today? Hello, science friends, can you please help me out? Ayúdame, por favor. She asked nicely. She even said please. But her science friends were busy, so they said no. No, I cannot help you. I'm too stressed out.
I can't help you either. I'm running my own lab.
You'll have to ask someone else. I just don't have time.
Who will Serena Científica find? Scientist mermaid, sirena científica, living in an underwater science factory. Scientist mermaid, sirena científica, she'll think of something clever. Just you wait and see.
I heard you need help, and I'm a superhero. I'm human, but I breathe underwater.
I can train you to be my assistant. Here, let me show you how to protect the lab. Great work! Today I've learned anyone can be kind and help.
Let's be friends.
Yes, let's!
Now that work is over, would you like to go to the park and lick ice cream?
Lick ice cream? That sounds like so much fun! Scientist mermaid, sirena científica, living in an underwater science factory. Scientist mermaid, sirena científica, now she's friends forever with her superhero friend.